Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
Alright, my people, Dancehall Skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so my people, we have some information to give to you. And to be honest, some of these information might be disturbing to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so I got information that the police within Miami, United States of America, have arrested a female for the death of her 2 children. See, so I got information that the police have arrested a woman who is said to be in her 40s and that she goes by the first name of Odette. I'm not sure how to pronunciate her middle name and last name, but it is said that she goes by the first name of Odette, and she had been arrested for the death of her 2 children. So I got information that the police within Miami, United States of America, responded to repeated hang-up 911 calls from the female's apartment, and I got information that on Tuesday, that would be the 12th of April year 2022, police went to the female's apartment and found a 3-year-old boy and a 5-year-old girl laying in a certain position on a bed with their arms, legs, and neck tied. See it? So the police said that they tried to resuscitate the children until the Miami fire rescue crew arrived and pronounced them dead, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, now I did my research, viewers and subscribers, and I read more than one news articles about this whole situation, because you know, me I try to get a better understanding as to what really happened. And it's really sad to hear some of the things will happen. You understand? Anyways, according to one news article, the news article said that according to arrest report, and I assume that the arrest report is from the police, yeah, it is said that the woman said, "Come and get them, I don't want them anymore." You see it? And another part of the news article said that it is not yet clear how many calls were made to 911 by the female viewers and subscribers, or whether if she had spoken to a dispatcher. You see it? See it? So I also got information that the woman has been charged with 2 counts of murder, viewers and subscribers. You understand? The news article said that a person said that he was not aware of any diagnosis for mental illness for the female. And the news article said that the person said that, but he said that the female, who goes by the first name of Odette, had lost custody to the state of an older child. That child's father remained in Haiti. And the news article said this, you know. Yes, I mean, so my people, it really sad for you what going on when it comes down to that situation. And it is said that the female had been taken into police custody and she'll be processed in due time and according to how justice will take its course. And that is in my point of view. Yes, so I say, anyways, I move on to another topic. So someone sent me a video that shows when a person drove a motor vehicle over someone more than once or repeatedly. You see? So I did some research about the video, and with the help of one of my loyal friend and viewer, I got information that a man from New Jersey, United States of America, has been arrested and charged with attempted murder after he allegedly drove a motor vehicle over a woman repeatedly. And the whole situation is considered to be a road rage incident that was caught on video. Now, my people, you might be surprised to hear why the man had done something like that, no viewers and subscribers. See, I'm going to get to certain details, but I'll take my time and go through this whole thing with you. Just listen carefully, because you might be surprised to hear why the man had done something like this. See, and these information are considered as alleged information, because you know, so somebody innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. I also got information that A video footage filmed by a neighbor's surveillance camera shows a car on a residential street in Elizabeth, New Jersey, United States of America on Tuesday. That would be the 12th of April, year 2022, backing up and then chasing the woman onto a front lawn where she slipped and falls in front of the oncoming motor vehicle. See it? So there are certain details me don't even want for to talk about it, you know, viewers and subscribers, because the act is really a gruesome act. You understand? Really a gruesome act, my people. See? So the police and prosecutors have arrested and charged a man who is said to be in his 50s, who goes by the name of Vincent Jean from Elizabeth. That is somewhere within the United States of America. See, it is said that he was involved in a minor traffic accident with the woman and began pursuing the woman after she began taking pictures of his car as he tried to flee the scene. You see what I say? So Jean allegedly drove over the victim, then backed up and drove over her again, you know. And that's according to the prosecutor's office, of your subscribers. You see it? So you hear that? So it's like the woman must have take picture of some from a minor accident between him and her, you know. Motor vehicle accident we are talking about, you know, people. See? And it come like, in my point of view, the man not like that. My gosh. See? So, seconds after the first hit, a school bus showed up and blocked the driver, according to witness. It was at this point that the driver turned around and allegedly plowed into the victim again, you know, my people. See? And prosecutors said that Jean then sped away as he left the woman injured on the floor. You see how sometimes some people might be having a life, eh? Anyway, so it is said that hours after or hours later, that is after the incident, of course, police said they found Jean sitting in his damaged SUV a few miles from the scene, of viewers and subscribers. You see? And it is said that he had been taken into police custody. Now, it is said that the victim, who is said to be a woman who is in her 20s, was taken to a hospital in critical condition. And Jean made an initial court appearance and was being held in county jail pending a pre-trial detention hearing next Tuesday. Yeah, it is said that he didn't have an attorney listed, according to the prosecutor's office, of your subscribers. You see me? You know, my people, me I tell you, you see how things said sometimes, you have to just be careful, you know. Yeah, man, you have to be careful. Me now go tell a person, say, no, to stand up for them right and try to do things in a legal way. Because if you meet an accident, you know, and you want to take picture to make sure, say, you have some form of evidence and proof of how the scene look or how the accident go or so forth, you as a motorist who involved in the accident, in my point of view, I think you have a right to do something like that, don't it? But then again, my people, me I tell you, my people. So because somebody do something where a person don't like or a person disagree with, see, that not give the person no right to do something like that, you know, see. So my overall understanding about the situation is that the man and the woman had some form of minor accident, and because the woman either take pictures or do certain things that he might not like, or I should say certain things that he not like, then the man decide to do something like that by running a motor vehicle over the female repeatedly. That is gruesome, yo. That's gruesome, you understand? See, the now go up to justice takes its course the right and proper way. See, a big man like that, eh? No, man, this no look right, my people, man. No look right, none at all, you see me I say. But you don't know, me just keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. Yeah, so me I go left this number, people. So, until next time, I'm in Dancehall, skilla, and big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey Mayu, you know what you watch?
Dancehall.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, skilla.